create a system restore point on Windows 10, open File Explorer, and in the left navigation panel, right-click this PC. Select Properties from the right-click context menu. In the Properties window, click Advanced System Settings on the left. This will open the System Properties window. On the System Properties window, go to System Protection. Here, you want to select your system drive and click Configure. On the configuration window, turn on System Protection and allocate up to 1 GB of space for your system restore points. Click Apply and OK. Next, to create a system restore point, you need to return to the same System Properties window and go to the System Protection tab. Click the Create button at the very bottom and create your first system restore point. Give it a name that will tell you which version it is that you're creating a restore point for. You don't need to enter the date for the system restore point because it's appended automatically. It takes a little while to create, but it shouldn't take more than 5 minutes. Once the system restore point's been created, you can restore to it. To restore to the system restore point, you need to return to the same System Properties window and go to the System Protection tab. Here, you'll see a System Restore button. Click it, and in the window that opens, click Next. You'll see a list of all the system restore points that have been created on your system. Select the system restore point that you want to restore to and click Next. Follow the on-screen instructions. If you want to delete all the system restore points that you've created, you can do that easily from the same System Properties window. Go to the System Protection tab and click the Configure button. Here you'll see a Delete button at the very bottom. Click this Delete button and it will delete every single system restore point that you've created on your system. To delete individual system restore points, you need to go through the command prompt. Open the command prompt with administrative rights and enter the command given in the video's description. The system restore points aren't listed with their name. Instead, they have a shadow copy ID. Note down the shadow copy ID for the system restore point that you want to delete. There's a second command in the video description. Add the shadow copy ID to that command and paste it in command prompt. Tap Enter. It's going to confirm if you want to delete the system restore point. Tap Y for yes, and it will delete the system restore point. Once it's deleted, there's no getting it back.